Meaning of impecunious.
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 Impecunious. The word impecunious means to have little or no money, or to be financially impoverished. This is typically used to describe individuals or organizations that are struggling to make ends meet or manage their finances. People who are impecunious often face significant challenges in their daily lives, such as difficulty paying bills, affording basic necessities like food and shelter, or accessing healthcare and education. The consequences of impecuniosity can be severe, including homelessness, hunger, and limited opportunities for personal and professional growth. Overall, being impecunious is a difficult and challenging situation to be in.